a wailing of the black children whose color is beautiful like black soil, Mother Africa. This is a cry, a special request directed to those who are preaching the ministry of illusion. I talk about the hypocrites, tyrants, and those who do indoctrination, and those who come with satanic philosophy to lead African people astray. The naked truth is that their philosophy produces more of ungodly things like patricide, matricide, suicide, genocide, feminism, abortion, and so forth. Today, all African people are experiencing political unrest, starvation because of these people. Wherever there is oil, gold, diamond, ruby, tanzanite, platinum in Africa, there is no peace but only fasting and fighting. In fact, these people made you and I to believe that living inferior life is fine and superior life is theirs. Oh, what a nonsense. In the name of Jah, they robbed, raped, murdered, and exploited our brothers and sisters in their foreign land. Remember the 3 ships used for the transportation of black people to America and Britain: the grace of God, the Holy Mary, and the good ship, Jesus. Today, African people are confusing religion and spirituality. Actually, religion is a set of rules or regulation created by mankind, which was meant to help people to grow spiritually. Spirituality is a network linking the Most High with the universe and mankind. A human body is the genuine temple of Jah, not the big buildings that you see. When the European missionaries brought the gospel in Africa, they gave us bread covered with plastic, and they wanted us to eat the bread together with the plastics. Oh no, the plastics makes us sick. With no shame and conscience, they preach to us verses that are not even in the Holy Bible. They wrote other verses to suit their culture and supremacy. They showed us many pictures of white Jesus, which were painted by their own architects. I talk of Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. They also showed us films of Jesus with European and American characters to make you and I to believe that Jesus was a white man. No, I know the color of our Lord. He's not white, he's a lie. Our Lord is African and is black in color. Brothers and sisters, I know that they made you believe that ganja is a drug. Ancestors do not exist. German Jesus was born on the 25th of December, and the new year is on the 1st of January. Their Easter is sometimes on March and sometimes on April. Does this make sense to you? Just judge for yourself. This is a wailing of the black children whose color is beautiful like black soil, Mother Africa.